What was the Japanese joke we made before we went to get sushi?
What Japanese joke?
I made a Japanese accent getting off the elevator.
Oh yeah, what did you say? It was really funny, but I didn't want to say it because we were in public.
I forget.
There's someone getting yelled at by a Japanese. Oh, it was Chris Chan if he was working a sushi place.
You want your sushi?
Because he said, I'm working on it.
And he goes, let me tell you.
If the health of the department.
Know what you are putting in our sushi.
You cannot pepper spray the customers, Christian.
You cannot pepper spray the sushi. It does not
They
taste
could
good.
condemn our restaurant.
It's not real pepper.
And we would have to move out of it.
He was looking
What I call pepper spray if it's not pepper?
He would. He fucking would.
You chop the sushi, you unchop the sushi.
I thought you were really Japanese.
Japanese.
Because your name is Christian.
Christian, I get it.
Now I see you are
Christian.
just Chris bad. Oh, there's a snot in my nose.
Pick it out.
Why is the only Japanese accent is you do an old man?